So guys, this is my gardening journey for 2024. So this is how I started by first of all making the ridges in the section of the allotment where I chose as my garden. So I made the ridges first, and that was in May of 2024. So the ridges are ready, as you can see. I think I made about 12 or so. So I'll now go ahead, and I went ahead and began to plant my vegetables in the ridges. So these are the ridges. And this is the part of the allotment where the main crops will be. So those ones have not been tilled yet. So in the first place I planted beans. So that is what I'm putting in the ground now. This is the brown beans I'm planting. Over here we call it akidi. Normally we eat it with yam and oil. I'll just pop it on the ground and cover it with a bit of soil. Nothing fancy. It's as easy as that. So hopefully it will rain tomorrow or even tonight. In the next 4 days the seedlings will pop up, and then it's from there it's onward growth. I think I'll make about 3 ridges. So beans is a legume, so it doesn't really require much fertilizer because it is a nitrogen fixer, so it will even enrich the soil. So it doesn't require much fertilizer, but then you can add your organic manure or chicken manure to the soil to help it. So next thing I plant in my garden is my okra. So this is how the okra seeds look like, and you can see I have company. See how big this ant is. So this variety of okra is the short variety, so that's the one I'm planting, and it's the same method. I'll just pop it on the ground and allow nature to do its work. One I'm doing now for today. Dig like a trench, then you arrange them inside and plant. So also these peppers that I planted on my balcony in March actually, they are now ready for transplanting. So I'm taking them out to the field to transplant them into the garden. So these peppers I actually planted them in March, as I said, on my balcony with organic matter. And I nurtured them till I planted them in March, and I nurtured them till May. So in May I transplanted them, so you can see. So you can check out the channel for the full video of how I transplanted my peppers out in the garden and all that. The video is up on the channel. So the next thing I planted in my garden was sweet potato cuttings. So I also put it in there. Just if you also want to see the video of how I did it, you can check out the channel.